to everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Tingnan mo sila dyan, oh. Naliligo. Oh, there's so many people around me here. Yeah. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda ng beach dito. Dito lang yan sa Clearwater Bay Beach. Ito na yan guys. Laki ng beach dito. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Oh, diba? Ayang dalawa, oh. Oh. Ito yung aming mga foods dyan. Yung aming baon. Laki ng beaches dito. Beaches. Beach. Hoy, kaya nga sabi ko beach eh. Boy, sabi ko nga, inulit ko nga, beach. I mean, malaki ang beach. Hindi mga, ano yung mga tao. Tsaka,
Hindi lang bumalik pa sa gitna. Ay, talaga naman, oo. Beaches daw.
bawal kay ano yan. Beach ba? Beach. So, pag beaches, marami yun. Beach lang. Isa lang beach.
Dito. Marami talagang beaches dito.
Beach.
Parang ano, marami talagang,
What happened to your face? Look at that.
what happened?
Ay, mga kasama ko dito. Kami yan. Yan guys. Marami din may mga estudyante. Tingnan mo, covered talaga siya ng mountain. Yan. Dami, no? So many people around here. Na isa din na. Binibidyo din ako. Oh. Ito yung may diving board. Oh, ang dami. Here, many people here. Then meron siyang ano. It's Labor Day, so that's why I have so many people. I got swimming here. Alam mo kung bakit? Yung hindi siya ano malalim ngayon. Kaya maano yung agos ano ng tubig. Pero actually ang water hanggang dito yan, di ba? Mamaya-maya yan pag hapon-hapon na. Oh, playing, they're playing. Ito naman nagbibideo. Ano yan? Diba? Ganda, diba? Tsaka bundok. Baba niya bundok. Tsaka yan, oh, may dalang pagkain. Bakit dala ng pagkain? Sa dagat.
May food.
Let's see the guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi to everyone. If you want to visit the Clearwater Bay Beach, that is going to Saikong, but before lang to going to Saikong. So if you are in the Central, you take the train going to Chongquano, and then you exit A1, and then the bus terminus is only under the mall. So you can take the bus 103M. Yeah, going to Clearwater Bay Beach. So if you want, if you are in Central, you can take also 91 bus. Yeah, big bus. So I don't know where is it there in Central, but I know it's there around Central. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, and see you for the next one. Bye.